do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it now, do it, 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 do it.
Touch, can you play that again?
My neck, my back, my neck, my back, my neck, my back, my neck, my back, 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 my back. First you gotta put your neck on neck, on neck, neck on neck, neck on neck, neck on neck. First you gotta put your neck on neck, neck on neck.
To be or not to be, not. Hold up, bring the beat back. Stop, I ain't ready yet. Wait.
What up, guys? It's your girl GlamNefercent here, back at it again with the back at it again. And yes, honey, this is gonna be a 5-month review on the Melanin Mink Deep Wave, honey. Smash that bell so you can be notified whenever your girl upload. Okay, if you are new, welcome. Okay, become a part of the glam squad. Okay, if you are old, what up? I love y'all. Thank you for rocking with me. I know you guys probably seen a lot of my videos with Melanin Doll, but I got this deep wave back in June. I was wearing it in its like natural state, which is the nice deep wave curl that it has to it. But recently I was like, you know what, let me put some curls in it. Like, this is some beautiful hair, let me put some curls in it. So that's what I did. I used some flexi wads, the orange and the gray ones, and I sectioned the hair very small, and I left it on for like 2 weeks. And I just took it out for the purpose of the video. So yes, as you guys can see, it's so pretty. I did not dye this hair. I don't want to dye this hair. This is actually my only hair from them that I did not dye. All the other hair I dyed. I did not dye this hair. I don't want to dye this hair. I feel like this hair should stay black. Okay, as you guys can see, it does hold curls great. I love the texture. Like, this is some type of hair that I cherish, so you know, I'll leave this for like the summer or whatever. But I just wanted to see how it holds curls. And it does have like some brown hues to it. It's just so pretty. This is how long it is, guys. This is 5 bundles, 226 inches, 224s, 122, and a 22-inch closure. It's a lot of hair, but it's not heavy, okay? It does not nape up in the back. I barely had any shedding, guys. Like, I'm in love. And I just love how it holds this curl so perfectly. And I did like just, you know, comb the curls out with my hands and with this comb. Okay, guys, so yes, Melanin Doll here for me is very affordable. I also am a customer. I buy hair from them as well. And they did just come out with like a blonde collection, so you guys should definitely go check that out. Yeah, shedding is minimal, maintenance is amazing. All you got to do is keep a weave brush nearby, a dimming brush nearby with some water and conditioner in it, and you're good to go. Like, it's really not hard to deal with this hair at all. Like, it's up to you how you treat the hair, you know. Look at this. This is a closure, okay? Don't come at me. I'm not even going to zoom up on my baby hair because my baby hair is not cute. Sometimes I do put a little bit of powder in there just to, you know, blend it in a little bit. Okay, it's very nice and fluffy. I love the fact that it can curl like this. If you are looking for a curl like this would be perfect hair for you. You do not need 5 bundles. If you're going to get longer bundles, I would say do 4 bundles if you want a full look. But see, me, I'm extra, so I got 5 bundles and a closure. Like, that's just me. I did put a little mousse to take away the flyaways, which it wasn't that many flyaways anyway. And yeah, like, the closure is pretty good. You know, I made this wig on a dome cap. I didn't show me making this wig. Like I said, overall, no shedding. Is manageable to me. Like, if you do get longer lengths, you do have to take care of the longer lengths. But I love this hair, and this hair loves me. I am going to do a test for you guys to see if the hair can curl back up. So this is it here. I'm just going to take my conditioner and my water and just wet it. so that if you guys didn't see my video, you guys could kind of see the curl pattern. For my brush. So yes, this is the curls all the way down to my waist. So this is the curl pattern. And it's very, very pretty. Some of the best curly hair ever from Melanin Doll. My 5-month update on how this hair is going. And again, this is the curl pattern. Okay, the hair is very long, true to length. Love it. It's very thick. Bundles are always thick with them. And let me know how you feel about this hair being curled. Are you guys feeling these curls? Do you guys like these curls? Very cute. Fall ready. Winter ready. You know what I mean? You cannot go wrong with this hair. If you guys do want to shop with them, use my code if you want to. It's GlamNefercent. You will save some money off. Okay? Only if you want to. You guys can even see like the full lengths of this hair. Let's see. So this is it. Like it stops. Well, when it's curled, it stops right here. So this is 26 inches. So yeah, the curl is drying. But yes, guys. Overall, would I buy this hair? Yes, the hell I would. Yes, the hell I would. I sure would buy this hair. I wish they would get this hair, this exact same hair in blonde. If they do, it's over. But yes, I would actually get this hair again. Don't forget, guys, to check out my other Melanin Doll hair videos. I have so many Melanin Doll code videos, okay? The Burmese curly, the Mink Straight, tight curly, and the deep wave. Okay, go check all those videos out. If you guys are liking this hair, definitely check Melanin Doll Co out and let them know that I sent you. And yeah, don't forget to love yourself first. Keep it glamming. GlamNefercent signing out. Love you guys. Mwah.